Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn CAD for civil engineering. Computer-aided design, or CAD, is an indispensable tool for modern civil engineers. It allows professionals to create detailed two-dimensional and three-dimensional models of structures and landscapes. Understanding CAD is fundamental for designing roads, bridges, and utility systems. This skill is highly valued in the industry and opens many professional doors. To begin, focus on industry-standard software like AutoCAD. This program provides a strong base for general drafting and design. For more specialized civil engineering tasks, explore Autodesk Civil 3D, which handles terrain modeling, pipe networks, and road design. Develop skills in creating accurate drawings, understanding layers, and managing project data efficiently. Practice regularly to build proficiency. Practical application is key to mastering CAD. Start by following online tutorials and completing exercises that simulate real engineering tasks. Try designing a small residential plot or a basic drainage system to apply your knowledge. Consider joining online communities or forums to ask questions and share your progress. Internships offer invaluable hands-on experience, bridging the gap between learning and professional work. As you advance, delve into building information modeling, or BIM, which integrates design with project management. Parametric design allows for flexible and adaptable models, saving significant time. Obtaining professional certifications can validate your skills and boost your resume. Continuously update your knowledge as software evolves. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. This ongoing learning will ensure you remain competitive and successful in your civil engineering career.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.